It's official. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla has made history. On 26 July 2025, Shukla became the first Indian ever to set foot on the International Space Station and the only second Indian to travel to space 41 years after Rakesh Sharma's legendary 1984 flight. 10 minutes after Axiom 4 launch, Indian astronaut Shubhanshu Shukla said something quietly powerful, that this liftoff was not just his journey to the International Space Station, but the beginning of India's human spaceflight program, Axiom 4 launch and docking timeline. The Axiom 4 mission, a commercial flight by Houston-based Axiom Space, lifted off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida on 25th July at around 12 p.m. as per Indian time. Docking with the ISS happened on Thursday at 4 p.m. with a pressurized vestibule linking the spacecraft and the station. And just like that, Shukla, along with 3 other astronauts, floated into the space history. Shukla's words after docking were simple and honest. What a ride! He described his experience at learning anew like a baby, floating and sleeping a lot, even laughing at himself for struggling to walk and eat in zero gravity. Also squatted floating in the background, a tiny white toy swan named Joy, Axiom's 5th crew member and a zero gravity indicator. Shukla said the swan symbolizes wisdom and the ability to discern what matters, a powerful thought, especially in space. So now that Shukla is in space, what's next? The mission. The AX-4 crew will spend about 2 weeks on the ISS conducting 60 scientific experiments, including 7 designed by ISRO. India's space agency has invested 5 billion rupees to secure Shukla's seat and training. But the payoff is bigger than one flight. This is the groundwork for something much larger. India's new space era begins. Shukla's voyage might not echo Rakesh Sharma's iconic Saare Jahan Se Acha moment from 1983, but it marks a turning point. India's steady rise as serious space-faring nation. Let's break it down. ISRO's plan. ISRO had aimed to send a human into space by 2022. That goal wasn't met, but it accelerated one crucial program, Gaganyaan, India's indigenous human spaceflight mission. Now India's plan is to launch first true mission Gaganyaan by 2027, set up a space station by 2035, land an astronaut on the moon by 2040. Gaganyaan, India's next big leap. Gaganyaan is now targeting its first crew mission by 2027. The mission will build on lessons of Axiom 4, where ISRO wasn't just watching from the sidelines. A large ISRO contingent, including Chairman V. Narayanan, was stationed in the US. They were actively troubleshooting delays and helping see the mission through. Shukla wasn't just a passenger. ISRO was an equal partner in the mission right from the planning to execution. Moon, Mars, and India's space station. What's ahead? ISRO had already announced plans to set up its own space station and to land humans on the moon by 2040. This is no longer about catching up. It's about building capability. Human spaceflight today isn't just about glory. It's a strategic capability, one that enables scientific exploration, commercial ventures, and geopolitical advantage. Global space race. India is already among the frontrunners in the space technology. But the challenge now is to stay ahead of the countries like US and China, both racing to send humans to moon for long-term stays. But here's where India needs a boost. Despite being a top space power, we make just 2% of the global space economy. That's a gap with huge opportunity. Private players, startups, and innovation can help us skate fast. Why space matters. And it's just not about economy. Space, along with AI, quantum, and clean energy, is one of the few technologies that will shape the future. And nothing inspires the next generation quite like the thought of space travel. That inspiration can spark innovation, create jobs, and fuel India's economy. So now that Shubhranshu Shukla is in the space, India's real journey begins. A new era is unfolding. One launch, one mission, and one big leap at a time. I am Sonali Verma, and this is just not the end of the story. It is just liftoff.